Hi there guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. Within today's video I'm going to show you how to remove and replace the battery on a Land Rover key. Now this is actually from a 2014 Land Rover Freelander 2. However, the key is actually used across the range, so if it looks just like this, then the likelihood is it will be the same key. Now you don't have to take your key rings off for this, but you may find it a bit easier to. I certainly will for the video. So first thing to do, flip over the key so it looks like that. And we're just going to pull down on this chrome section, which will just come off like that. Now this actually exposes your key. Should the electrics ever be down on the car and you have to use a manual key, this is what the key looks like. Now we're going to use this key to stick it in the side there. So looking at the key like that, there's actually a hole just up in this corner. You put that in there, turn the key, and that'll actually pop open your casing like so. That will now expose your battery. So this is an Energizer battery. I couldn't tell you if this was the original one or not. It's probably been changed. And the model number is CR2025. Pull the battery out, just slide it to the side. And there you go, that's your battery there. So this side actually faces down with the writing facing out. So like I say, CR2025. Just going to slot that in there, get a back casing from earlier, making sure it's joined all the way around. Get your spare key and slide it back into its carriage. Push the chrome section back up. Now you can go ahead and put your key rings back on if you took them off. There you go, that's my video on how to remove and replace the batteries on a Land Rover key. This is from a 2014 Freelander 2. If you found this video helpful, please give me the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.